free websites that you can use to get testing related jobs and earn money from home. These are all freelance websites that you can use to find testing related jobs. For example, so testers basically used to test websites, softwares, or mobile applications. You can use your PC as well as your mobile phone to test these apps or websites or software. And this is a great opportunity for people who are looking for some kind of like flexible opportunities. If you are a college going student, a housewife, or a professional who is willing to get some kind of side hustle to earn some extra money, and this is a freelance kind of setup. You can just sign up on these websites and start working as a tester, website testing job with TryMeta. And here you can test, identify, and unleash your best website usability experience by eliminating the guesswork and knowing exactly what your user wants. Basically, this company offers website testing services to companies who are creating their websites. So you can work as a tester. You can use this website. You can test this website and check out all the usability thing. Here it is written, get paid to test. If you wish to become a TryMeta tester, here is the application form that you can sign up, and you will be paid to use websites and apps and give your honest feedback and earn from $5 to $30 per test. So here what you will be doing, you will be testing the website, you will be checking the websites and apps, and accordingly, based on your experiences, you will be providing the feedback, and you will be getting payments from like $5 to $30 per test. So here you can sign up with the website. So basically this is for people who are already a coder or a designer, or someone who has created their websites and wish to checks and want people to check it. As a tester, you can check their websites and provide feedback accordingly, and then based on your feedback, the people or the coder or the designer or the businessman used to incorporate changes, and all you have to do as a tester is to be yourself. So you will be like using the test website exactly as you would in a real life situation, and voice your thoughts and frustrations out loud so the site developers can understand your experience and others like you. A usability test includes a video recording of your screen and voice as you use a website or app, and your written responses to a short wrap-up survey. There are no limitations on the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week. You can do this testing work in your free time and get some extra money, and the company used to pay through PayPal. So you need to have a PayPal account already. So you can start working on the platform. And so thank you for listening.